Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to restore or recover any deleted shows on your Virgin TV Tivo V6 Box. Now maybe your partner's deleted one of your favourite shows or your favourite movies and you want to get it back. On the left hand side, scroll up and select all, then move your cursor into the right hand side to put it into the shows. Then click this end button here, which takes you to the end of your shows. Then use the up button, scroll up, and you've got this option called recently deleted recordings. Click OK, and in there is all of your recently deleted recordings. Now you can select any of those and recover or restore those. So click on OK, it says recover this show, click OK, then click OK again, and that show has now been restored to my shows. So if I go into TV and radio, there's that match of the day which I've just restored. Fabulous. Now one film that they won't be deleting is Point Break, because I've got this on multiple formats. So I'll be watching this later on, either on VHS cassette or DVD or Laserdisc or Blu-ray. And there's a link up on the top left hand side on how to skip multiple chapters 15 minutes at a time while you're watching your Virgin TiVo box. And on the top right hand side is the Virgin Media Hub 5 installation procedure. Time for a lovely cup of tea.